I have bought watch tools on AliExpress. The order was made on November 6th and I received the parcel today on November 29th. So the delivery took about 3 weeks, which is okay considering that the parcel was sent from China. Actually, this parcel was sent as a so-called combined delivery, which is a premium shipping service that is available on orders worth more than $10, which is what I have paid. Actually, I paid $11.60 for the items in this parcel. So let's open up the parcel. As you can see, there's 3 packages inside the bag. First, we have a watch case opener. So this is a watch case opener for watches with a snap-on case back, like on this watch. This is an adjustable holder. This is a 6mm stamping tool.